The Turtle Room. Education, Conservation, Survival.
Welcome to Arizona Tortoise Compound. Today we're showing off our hatchling enclosures. You can see each little cubby hole is a different species or subspecies of tortoises. The backdrop is canna lilies. Those grow 6 to 7 foot tall and works great for a shade barrier or a natural wall. There's a mister system going around the whole setup. You can see the white tubing there. Every enclosure has a ceramic water dish and a ceramic hide. See some Hermes there getting down on some food. And then it just keeps going. There's a few more hatchling enclosures here in the front. They're fully bird netted around to make sure that the birds don't pick them up and carry them off. Vines are situated on the sides of the enclosures for shade. Snail vines, grapevines, cat's claw. The 6 enclosures you see there are the medium-sized tortoises or young juvenile tortoises. Same setup like the hatchlings, just a little bit larger, bigger homes. And that's a quick overview of our setup.
This has been a production of The Turtle Room.